So 2D echogram is, in short, it is a two-dimensional echocardiogram. So two-dimensional being na we are looking at the heart at one slice, kaya two-dimensional siya. Now, echocardiogram, because we are using the principle of ultrasound, that can be converted to image. Makikita natin yung picture of ng heart in one slice or in one view, and at the same time, we can also see the movement of the heart with 2D echocardiogram. Ang usual na nakikita sa 2D echo is one, because you can see the picture or the structure ng heart, makikita mo kung meron yung tinatawag na valvular heart disease, merong problems sa pintuan ng puso. Now, we can also detect yung mga tinatawag na congenital heart disease. So, these are diseases na nakikita na pinanganak ka, meron ka na. Simple lang siyang gawin, no? So, you just need a 2D echo machine. Now, we ask the patient to lie down near the machine. Tapos, we use a probe or transducer. Now, usually, pag nilalagyan lang namin sila ng parang gel para ma-optimize yung image, nilalapat po doon yung probe, and then you can already see doon sa screen ng echo machine yung heart and also its movement. So, mga pasyenteng we request for 2D echo, syempre, yung mga patients na nagsususpect tayo na may sakit sa puso. So, one, if may naririnig tayong yung tinatawag na murmur. Aside from that, yung mga patients na who also has symptoms of heart disease. Madaling mapagod, hingalin, nawala ng malay, palpitation. Those are also candidates for 2D echo. 2D echo, mabilis lang siya gawin, no? In less than 1 hour, pwede na siyang matapos. So, we usually ask the patient to lie beside the machine, the 2D echo machine. And then, there are certain positions na we instruct the patient, no, to optimize yung image. So, para sa mga pasyenteng pinaghihinalaan po natin, may sakit sa puso, may butas sa puso, o may sakit sa valvula, or may kakaiba po tayong naririnig sa kanilang puso, nire-recommenda po namin na mag-undergo ng isang procedure, 2D echocardiogram, para malaman po kung meron po siyang sakit sa puso at mabigyan ng kaukulang lunas or treatment.
This portion was brought to you by the De Los Santos Medical Center.